So as you can see, this is the old one. Already you have replaced the new one. Now you screw the two screws like this. You have to screw the two screws. The other one, you screw this one too. Okay, here we go again. We try again. Try to pull this one inside the gasket. Fix it properly. Like this. So we try again. You just close it. Power on the machine. You just put spin. Put drain plus spin. Just press the start button. See, the machine is running. Now the problem is solved. The machine is running, as you can see. So all the time you see that's error, that means the door lock is the problem. So now the machine is working, as you can see, fully working.